In this quick tip, we're going to take a look at how to create this design that you can then use to put different colors in or use as clipping masks for your images. So let's start with this. The basis of this design is a polar grid, and it makes sense to mark the center of your creation in your file. So I'm going to turn on the rulers and then I'm going to set some guides in here like so. So the guides are locked, I cannot select them, and then we're going to take the polar grid tool, and in order to draw a polar grid from the center you need to put the cursor in here and then drag, and in the first step you need to set up that polar grid. So you can use arrow up and down to set those vertical dividers and the horizontal ones with arrow left and right. And I'm going to leave it like so. And when you've set up that, you press the Alt key and the Shift key in order to just drag the thing from the center and proportionally so that it actually gets a circle, like so. And when you're done, leave up the mouse and then leave up the keys. The next thing is, this has created the paths and not shapes. So we need to get the shapes. So you increase or decrease the stroke weight until you get the dividers as you need them. And then the next thing, when you have set up that, you need to expand these strokes. So you go to Object, Path, Outline, Stroke, and these are now single strokes. So we can see that in Outline View they are not joined. So the next thing is we need to select this, go to Pathfinder and hit Unite, like so. So now we actually have these areas, these shapes, but we cannot see them yet. So what we need to do is go to Object, Compound Path, Release, and now we need to select this outer shape and just delete it. And there are our shapes. Let's check this one more time in Outline View. That's how this looks. And now we don't actually have the center point anymore. So the lines don't meet there. That's why we need the guides. So you can now select single ones of these shapes and rotate them. And when you want to rotate all of these that belong to one line, when you've selected all of them, you can actually just rotate them because it's a circle. But when you only want to rotate some of them, then you actually need, so let's do that. Just select some of them, and when I want to rotate them around the center, what you need to do is select the rotate tool, see that you click the center point, which is at the intersect mark, like so. Click once and then click and drag, and you see then you drag them around the center, which I haven't actually met. So let's undo that and zoom in, and now we have the center and can zoom out of here. And when we rotate these now, then you see it actually rotates around the center point. So that's how you can create this kind of shape.